Hello guys, and this is Junaid Khan again, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to basically remove the specific node, how to delete the data from the firebase. Because in the previous video I already told you how to insert data in a firebase, but in this video I'm gonna teach you how to delete that specific node from the firebase. Sorry for my voice because I catch up a few flu, so ignore that. Thank you. I already opened up the Android Studio project, the project in which we save the data in a firebase. I'm gonna do changes in this project, but first of all let's change, or let's modify the project. Open up the activity main. We are going to do work on a linear layout. I have to add two buttons: wrap content, ID button save, and text save data. This button will save the data in a firebase, orientation vertical, and the second button will delete the saved data. Okay, these are the two buttons. Now let's call these two buttons in our Java class. Button save equals to find button save, button delete equals to find view by ID button delete. Let's call listener on these two buttons, dot set on click listener view. Okay, and button delete dot set on click listener. Okay, reference will be same. Okay, so this will be called on button save. Okay, whenever I click a button save, this function will automatically save the data in a firebase, but reference dot remove value. So this delete button will remove the reference value. See, this will automatically delete the user's node and the subchild, all the data present in that specific node. Upon clicking delete button, all the values will be deleted, and when I click on the save button, the same data will be added on clicking the save button. So let's check our app. First of all, let's open up the firebase. As you can see, we are already working on the same project. So as you can see, there is a node users and the sub nodes age and name. So I have connected my real-time device with it. Okay, let's check. Gradle build is running, and let's check. This will take some time because we have changed our project a little bit, so all the files Android Studio will compile. The compilation time will be installing our app. So as you can see, our app has been successfully installed, and open up save data. No function is performed because the data have already been saved. Delete data. As you can see, upon clicking delete, the specific node which I passed in a reference is deleted. When I click a save data button, as you can see, node has been added upon clicking. that specific node is automatically deleted. Save, delete. Okay, so thank you so much. In our next video I will teach you I will basically show you how to update the specific data in a Firebase. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss a single video from Proglabs official. Thank you so much.